How old is too old? Like I said, in general, I think the Bible basically just says as long as you're two adults, then, I don't think there's a law or a rule that would forbid two grown adults from being together. In my just personal opinion, I think the closer you get to like a decade, the more of a big challenge it's going to be together for a variety of reasons. Like when you get over 10 years, you start getting into like 15 years, you might have a lot of fun right now, like you're 40 and the other person's 15 years younger. But what happens when the older person's like 70 or like, 60 or 65? Then the age difference it might be a bigger deal, So it's just something to think about. I'm not saying you can't do that if you feel led by God to do that. It's just something you just want to weigh the cost before you commit to somebody. You want to think of the future too. So in my opinion, if you wanted to, pin me down and make me give you an answer on how old is too old, I would say around a decade is getting kind of risky. I think 5 years is pretty normal, pretty acceptable. I haven't personally struggled with it. It's been fine for us. I think it would just be a little bit harder if it was a decade or more.